Hello everyone, my name is Reza, founder of the OptimizationCity.com. In this video, we are going to work through an example from the operation research together. I will show you step by step how we can use linear program modeling to solve OR problem. Let's move on.
We have another example which is very well known in the industry. Let's consider the example where a logging company needs to fulfill order with a specific dimension as follow and deliver them to a respective applicant. To fulfill the order, the logging company needs to use the standard board with the dimension of the 2 times 4 times 11, where 2 represent the 2-inch and 5 represent the 5 feet. There are 5 different ways in which the standard board can be cut to prepare the order of the customer. The company's plan is to use the minimum standard board required to fulfill the order of the customer. How we can formulate this problem? Now here we have the formulation. If we use x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5 to represent the number of standard boards cut according to the one of the following possible way. The objective function can be written as follows. We have the minimization objective function, summation of the x1 to x5. Since 4 board with the dimension of the order 1 result from the cutting of the first type, and the 2 board with the dimension of the order 1 result from the cutting the third and the fourth type, we calculate the number of order 1 as follows. So we have 4 cut, 2 cut from third type, and 2 cut from fourth cut of type. We have this limitation for order number 1. For order number 2 and order number 3, we have the similar limitation. Similarly, I think that also we need to add the non-negativity constraint to the variable. We can summarize the model for the given problem as follows. So we are going to minimize the summation of the cut and subject of the order of the constraint and non-negativity constraint. This is the optimal value of this function. We have C star as the optimal value of the objective function. We don't know, we can solve this problem as a duality theory that we discuss in the third course of the operation research course in the future. Thank you so much again for watching us, or if you have any question, you can send an email by optimizationcity@gmail.com, or you can fill out the contact form in our website where optimizationcity.com. Goodbye for now.